how to fix inaccessible boot device error in Windows 11 and 10, and basically it is also a blue screen error. And the first workaround is run system file checker. For this, go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt to run as administrator. In the black window, you should execute the command sfc scan now command and press enter to execute. Beginning system scan. This process will take some time. You should wait, and after that your corrupted file system will appear and Windows will fix them. The second workaround is run a disk checkup scan. For this, again go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt window as administrator mode, and this time you should enter the following command: chkdsk/rr and a space. Here you should put drive letter, here C drive. Press enter. And the third workaround is remove recent Windows 11 updates. Go to start button, choose settings app in Windows 11. From the left pane choose Windows update, and thereafter go to right pane, scroll down and choose update history. Here you will find all your recently installed updates are available here. Scroll down, at the end of this page you will find the option uninstall update. Click on it. This click will bring you the control panel page, and here you will find all your installed updates are available. You should uninstall the latest Windows update and click on uninstall updates. And the fourth workaround is roll Windows 11 back to a previous restore point. Open run command box in Windows 11, type rstrui command and press OK. It will open system restore wizard. Click on next. Here you will find the restore point, and you should click on scanning and affected page scanning, and if nothing found, go to next option and Windows will restore previous point where before this point. Click on finish button. The next workaround is reset Windows 11. Go to start button, open settings. From the right pane you will find the option recovery. Click on it. Reset this PC. Click on it, and a blue window box appear here. Choose keep my files and settings, but keeps your files.